If you are a quiet professional, there is a feeling you probably recognize. It's the feeling of being behind, not failing, not lost, just behind. You look around and see people moving faster, speaking louder, getting recognized earlier. And even if you are doing solid work, you wonder why progress doesn't feel the way it's supposed to. This video is about why that feeling exists and why it often has very little to do with your actual position. Quiet work rarely creates noise. You think, you refine, you improve internally. But the world tends to reward what it can see. Meetings, updates, opinions. When progress doesn't create visible signals, your brain fills the gap with doubt, not because you're wrong, but because humans are wired to measure movement through feedback. Most timelines we compare ourselves to are incomplete. We see the announcement, the promotion, the outcome. We don't see the uncertainty, the instability, the shortcut. Quiet growth looks slower because it skips the performance layer. But skipping performance also removes fragility. Quiet professionals tend to be self-referential. You evaluate yourself based on competence, quality, integrity. So when external progress lags, it feels personal. But delay isn't always a signal to push harder. Sometimes it's a signal that depth is forming. Loud progress is built for visibility. It's fast, it's expressive, it's responsive. But it often relies on constant output to maintain momentum. When attention drops, progress slows. Quiet growth doesn't rely on attention. It relies on accumulation. Quiet people often enter cycles later. You don't jump on trends immediately. You don't speak before you are sure. You wait until something makes sense. That delay feels like being behind. In reality, it's filtration. You skip unstable phases and enter when things are durable. Quiet people are often underestimated early. That can feel frustrating, but it creates space. Space to learn without pressure, build without expectation, decide without scrutiny. By the time attention arrives, you're already prepared for it. Quiet growth doesn't reveal itself gradually. It accumulates quietly, then surfaces suddenly. A role opens up, trust shifts, opportunities align. To others, it looks unexpected. To you, it feels overdue. Many quiet professionals try to fix the behind feeling by forcing visibility. They speak sooner, share more, push presence. Often, that creates friction, not leverage. Visibility before readiness creates pressure. Visibility after depth creates authority. Feeling behind is often a timing mismatch. You are measuring internal growth against external noise. Those don't move at the same speed. Quiet growth usually lags emotionally, then leads structurally. Quiet growth requires tolerance. Tolerance for delayed feedback, uneven recognition, non-linear outcomes. That tolerance is not passive, it's strategic patience. If you feel behind, pause before correcting. That feeling doesn't automatically mean you are off course. Quiet growth often feels invisible right up until it becomes undeniable. You are not late, you are building something that lasts.